What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review. All right, this time I'm doing something different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over my weekly earnings report. This is going to be what I've earned from my Bitcoin or crypto investments for the week. So hopefully you'll find this very informational and be able to help you on your crypto investing journey. Now, before I jump right into the content, I do want to let you know that I would love for it if you would like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get a notification every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, today, the weekly earnings report is going to be very good. You're going to notice that I have a diversified portfolio of Bitcoin investments. These are investments where I invested Bitcoin in and I am getting a return pretty much on a weekly basis. And I'm going to be open and transparent with you and showing what I have earned from each and every platform. Now, what I want to tell you is that what I'm telling you that I earned is exactly what I put back into my crypto wallet. This is not what I've earned just on the platform. This is actually the amount of money that I put back into my crypto wallet. So I want you guys to know that that's what I'm sharing with you all here. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. It's not going to be a very long video, but you'll see where I'm earning income right now specifically. Let's go. So going over to the screen, you'll see here that this is my Bitcoin investment portfolio, that there are several places where I earned income from this week. The first place, which is the first place I started investing, which is Crypto 300 Club. So with Crypto 300 Club, this week I earned $389.44. Now, my initial investment with Crypto 300 Club was $70. I did that back on July 13th. So $389 for this week that I pulled back into my crypto wallet that's a pretty good amount, right? This is money that I took back to my wallet. The next one is the Big Investor account, which is basically a sister site to Crypto 300 Club. So my Big Investor account one, this I don't have any investments in. I just set this one up for referrals. So majority of my referrals to Big Investor actually go through this account. Just one of the strategies that I use. I actually referred my second account. So now with this one, I earn income anytime that I reinvest into my second account. It actually pays me on my first account. So this is a little strategy I use. But for account number one, I earned $64.27. So off of that, that was what I earned this week. Just this week, $64.27. Now, my Big Investor account two, this week I earned $308.81. So it's a pretty good week for this one as well. This is all passive income pretty much for what we do, not having to go out and work for it. So that's pretty good income. Cash FX, which I've shared with you all as well. This week I earned $181.17. That was money that was pulled back into my crypto wallet from Cash FX. Auto BTC Builder, as you can see, this week was a dud for me in that one. I did not earn any money in Auto BTC Builder this week. So you see that. Hopefully next week will prove to be something different. MTI, which is Mirror Trading International. This week I earned $4.38 worth of Bitcoin. Now we all know that Bitcoin took a little bit of a dip and is coming back. So you really have to look at the amount of Bitcoin you earned, because that's going to fluctuate in that platform, being that I'm keeping the money over there. The amount of money that I invested in MTI is $250, right around $250. So I'm earning, let's say if it was $4 to $5 per week, it's usually a little bit more than that, but $4 to $5 per week is still okay. It's better than what I would make at my bank. So I want to let you guys know that. Lastly, you see what I have in red here. This is in bright red because this is no longer active. We cannot make any more money from this. This website is down, but for all bullish, I did earn $317. That's how much I was able to pull out of the website before it actually went down. So I did earn $317 from that website, giving me a total weekly income of $1,265.07. Now that's what I earned from my Bitcoin investment. So I want to tell you guys, this is what I promote. I promote you having a diversified portfolio of investments. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket, as they say. Don't try to earn all of your money from one asset, right? Make sure that you have multiple assets that are bringing you income, so that if something happens to one, like this week I didn't make any money off auto BTC builder. So since I didn't make any money, you know, that if I was only depending on that income, it would be a bad week for me. But because I had other vehicles or other investments that were paying me money, it allows me to still continue to make a good amount of income for this week. What I want to tell you is that $1,200 may not be a lot of money to you, but $1,200 on a weekly basis is pretty good money. And I'm continuing to grow that. I'm continuing to experiment with other platforms as well. Now, I also want to tell you guys now that one of the things I like to do is to reinvest what I've earned from these platforms. So if I have something that's working for me, I'll take a little bit of the profit from these platforms, and then what I would do is actually take that income and put it into another platform. Like I'm trying out Earn Rivers, as you see on my last video. If you haven't watched that, make sure you check out my last video on Earn Rivers. But I put $40 from my Bitcoin investments, the profit from my Bitcoin investments in that. So I'm not taking income out of my pocket, out of my living expenses, right? So you want to make sure you're doing that as well. Use your profit to make more profit for it, right? That is the goal, to have your money working for you, to have your money bringing you more and more money. Like my next goal is to be at $1,000 per day from my investments. And then the goal after that is to get to $10,000 per day. And I'm going to continue using these platforms to bring me returns on my investment until I get to my goal of $10,000 per day. And I will keep you guys updated on my progress, on how far I get and what I'm doing. Of course, I'll let you know if I add anything additional to the platform or to my portfolio. I will let you know that as well. So hopefully this has been very informative for you. Hopefully you can look at this and get some information that'll guide you on your crypto investing journey as well. Stay tuned to my videos. I'm going to have another update on Earn Rivers in tomorrow, so you'll get an update on that. And then I'll be also debuting another platform that I've been looking into. I'll be doing that with this week as well. So make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. It should be on your screen right about now. You can subscribe. Check out my playlist for crypto investments. And then I also want you to look at any other videos I have that may be helpful for you. All right, guys, I hope you have a great night, a great evening. If it's evening where you are, continue to stay focused on your crypto investments, and let's make a lot of money. Until the next video, I'm out. You guys have a great day.